The government has now decided to buy new buses to transport students instead of used buses. The move is a total change in policy to the position leading up to the general election last year. Transport Minister Darrell Vaz gave an update earlier today at a press conference.
Here is the better news. It will be 100 new school buses. So we are moving from the used school buses, purpose-built. We have gone through expressions of interest. We have concluded on the specifications based on all our due diligence across Asia, America, Europe, and the responses to that expression of interest has brought us information to be able to develop the specifications.
Now, the 100 new buses are expected in the 2026-2027 fiscal year, which begins on April 1 this year and ends on March 31 next year. Initially, the projection was for 150 new buses, but budgetary constraints led to the change. Mr. Vaz is urging parents and guardians to register their children to get the bus cards and concessionary fare of $50.
The cashless system is seeing great progress in terms of the registration. 8,108 students. Students' cards issued 6,393. Cards with zero balance, 6,355. And total top-up value of 39,875.
Though the buses remain safe, Mr. Vaz admitted there have been challenges.
Truth be told, that the buses that we have bought are performing. Yes, there are some issues in terms of, as I said before, road conditions, terrain, etc., etc. We have had some accidents, thankfully no fatalities, one serious injury of a passenger vehicle that collided in the bus, and we were able to get immediate footage of the bus using the technology on the bus with cameras on the outside of the bus and on the inside, which obviously helps the police to be able to do their investigation much quicker.